Hello, Barbie fashionista. Is this all you've got today? Hey, Barbie. Yeah, I'm on my way to the beach and I thought I was gonna get a few goodies. It's not your usual shop till you drop. Well, let's see what you've got in here. Yogurt.
Let's get a yogurt.
Sunscreen lotion.
We're going to the beach. Let's grab sunscreen.
And a bottle of water for Barbie walk. Well, that's going to be a total of $12.45, please. Oh, here's my credit card. Credit, $12.45. Oh, excuse me, Barbie, I gotta pick up that call. Yes, Barbie fashionista here. Barbie chef is here. My dear Barbie fashionista, please do me a favor and get a few groceries. I gotta fix a big meal for tonight and we're missing on a few items. Yeah, Barbie. Yeah, Barbie chef. Just send me your list over an email and I'll take care of it. No need to worry. Oh, you're a darling. Thank you so much. See you, my dear. Well, it seems like I gotta go back to the grocery store. I'll be right back, Barbie.
Play Toys channel. Subscribe for our funny stories.
Alrighty then. Let's take a look at the list. 2 eggs. 1, 2 eggs. A butter. 1 carton of milk. 1 chocolate donut. 1 loaf of bread. 1 crackers. No, they're not on my list. A slice of pie. No, not on my list. A chocolate cookie biscuit. Yeah, that goes in the back. Next, after the dairy and bakery, fruit and veggies. 1 yellow lemon. 1 slice of watermelon. A bunch of yellow bananas. Yellow pineapple. Red strawberry. Orange carrot. Green cabbage. Red tomato. Yellow corn. Brown potato. Orange. Green grape. Green pear. Red chili pepper. Next, I gotta go on the canned section. Big grocery shopping. Alrighty then, let's check the canned goods. A can of fruit cocktail. A can of sardines. Nope, it's not on my list. A can of tuna fish. Sure. Let's go. A can of cream soda. Refreshing. A packet of borscht soup. A packet of cream soup of golden corn. A bottle of vinegar. Oh yeah, and Barbie mentioned ketchup. Oh my gosh, what a huge grocery bag with all the fruits, vegetables, dairy and canned food. Barbie chef better be happy now.
Hi, it's Barbie.
5 plus 2 plus 9 plus 3 plus 7 plus 4 plus 93 plus 58. A total of fabulous shopping. Oh gosh, good I brought my credit card to pay for all of that. Many thanks for the generous shopping, Barbie fashionista. My pleasure, and I started just with a bottle of water. I'll see you later, Barbie. Okay now, I got all the groceries in my car. Let's go surprise Barbie chef. Hey guys, thank you for watching another fun and educational video at Playtoys channel. We hope to see you for more with the next episode. Bye bye.
Play Toys channel, subscribe for our funny stories.